What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. And today, in our Tech Tip, I'm going to be talking about CV axles. And anyone who's actually worked on CV axles know that sometimes it's actually really hard to get that CV axle in because of that C-clip at the end. And this tech tip right here is going to help you guys out, make your job way easier. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully you find it informative. But first and foremost, let's get Works for Tools. Check out his channel up on the sticker wall. So let's put that up there. Everybody check out his channel. He has great stuff. Alright, Works for Tools, welcome to the sticker wall. Enough about that though, let's get into the Tech Tip Tuesday. See how this C-clip right here, it keeps flopping around? This thing has to be perfectly centered in order to install it. So one way to do that and keep it centered is to use bearing grease. And all you have to do for that, it's very easy. All you have to do is you just take some bearing grease on your finger and just slowly put it on there at the tip. And then the CV axle, the C-clip at the end will actually hold in place like that. So it makes it 10 times easier to even install it, and most of the time you can actually get it in your first try. So let's try that right now. And it's in. Very easy. Just give it one good push. As long as it's centered, it'll go in fine. So that's my little tech tip for you guys. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!